How to use free spam checker to improve email deliverability, Warmy blog. Discover how to use free spam checkers to boost your email deliverability with Warmy blog. Ensure your emails land in inboxes, not spam folders, to enhance your email performance starting today. Email spam checkers evaluate your emails against spam filter criteria, helping improve deliverability. Persistent spam issues can lead to blacklisting and financial losses. Monitoring deliverability is crucial for effective communication. Modern spam checkers like Warmy.io go beyond detecting spam triggers. They assess email deliverability across providers, check for blacklist status, and verify authentication protocols, offering detailed insights to improve email strategies and enhance deliverability. Warmy.io enhances email deliverability by offering a comprehensive analysis beyond traditional spam detection. It checks for spam triggers, assesses performance across providers, verifies domain age, checks blacklist status, and ensures proper setup of authentication protocols like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. How to use Warmy.io's spam checker. Copy email addresses, compose and send email, check deliverability on Warmy.io. Warmy.io's spam checker assesses email deliverability across 43 different mailboxes, providing insights into inbox placement, spam folder entries, and delivery issues. These results help optimize email strategies for better performance. Check if your IP or domain is blacklisted, which can occur on shared servers like Gmail or Outlook. Warmy.io helps manage SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records for enhanced email security and deliverability. Use Warmy.io's spam checker to optimize email reach and avoid spam filters. Regular checks and adjustments based on feedback enhance email marketing effectiveness and maintain audience engagement. If you enjoyed this, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Keep an eye out for future updates.